Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It doesn't really matter. If you will decide to do that, simply go to Home, then 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and go to Contacts at the top. So here, let's find the contact which you'd like to customize and then tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got this section for picture and calling card, and because of the title of this video I'll focus on the picture. However, I highly recommend to set also the photo for the calling card, because as you can see this is the background for the screen when someone is calling you. So it's a great idea to actually put a photo of this person in the background, or I don't know, a place which resembles you of this person. A lot of things that you can do here, so highly recommend. But as I said, I will focus on the picture. So just tap on this circle, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So at the top we've got device photos right here. We can choose something from our gallery, or we can pick the camera and our device will immediately open it, so we can take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos are our backup photos, so I'll just omit them. Here the monogram, so after tapping on this option you can use 1 or 2 letters, it's up to you. And you can change the background color, you can also change the font, it's up to you. But you can also use emoji, so just tap on it and tap on the emoji here. As you can see, we've got the full list of available emojis from which we can choose, so plenty of options to choose from actually. Moreover, so let me pick maybe this one, for example. Moreover, we can change the background color, and we can also set the monochrome option. So now we've got the emoji, but after tapping on this option, we will have this more icon-like option. So it's up to you. And illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not feel like using monogram, you don't really want to take a photo of someone there, or you do not have the photo of this person, you can always check something here and try to find something which resembles you of this person. So let me choose this parrot. We can also choose the presets. So we've got different colors. Moreover, we can crop the picture. So this picture, I mean the illustration, but also the picture which was taken by the camera and from your gallery. Basically, you can zoom in and out the photo and change the position of it. And thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. So this operation, so because this highlighted circle, is responsible for what you will see after saving. So just tap on choose if you are ready, and as you can see here we've got our photo, so just tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.